Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in a new video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about IT sector. So IT sector has been falling throughout this entire year. Right from January till date, IT sector has been in a strong bearish momentum. Most of the IT stocks are weak. IT index is weak and most of the IT stocks are weak. So some of the top reasons why the IT sector is sliding are US is expected to have a recession in the next 1 year. So most of the analysts and experts are telling that there are 50 percentage chances that US will face recession in the very next year. And the second most reason why IT sector is weak is volatility in the market. So you all know very well that the market has been volatile because of the inflation rates and because of this US Fed rates and a lot of reasons. So this is also a key factor why the IT sector is sliding down. So volatility also plays a very important role in any sector to have some particular trend. And the third important reason why the IT sector is sliding is salary hikes. So recently in TCS, the HR officer has reported that they have given around 5 to 8 percentage of salary hikes for their existing employees, and even some of the talented employees have deserved more than 8 percentage of salary hikes. So this will affect the operating margin of that particular company, and this is also one among the reason for the stock and the particular sector to be weak in recent times. Now, if we try to understand the stock through technical charts, we can clearly see throughout the year from 2022 Jan, this particular sector has fallen too much. Okay, nearly even in this single year, the sector has fallen more than 30%. So that is huge in this particular sector. Now what we are going to do is we are going to analyze how IT sector is going on and when and how we can look for some buying opportunity. Now generally what I feel is strong companies like IT companies like TCS, Infosys, HCL Technologies, and apart from IT companies, strong companies like Reliance and Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Tata Steel, these kind of strong companies, I always hesitate to take short position. I always used to tell to my friends and students, never take any short position in a fundamentally and technically strong stock. Even though the setup looks bearish, please avoid taking short position because that is a fundamentally and technically strong stock. Alright, so my view for IT sector will be avoid short position. Even though IT sector is at their bad times, I will avoid short position in IT sector, and I will look for a proper reversal and I will look for long opportunities only. Now in IT sector, this is monthly chart. So I could clearly see IT sector started its rally right from this particular swing low, and it stopped the rally right from this swing high. So what I am going to do is I am going to draw a quick Fibonacci retracement from this particular swing low to this particular swing high. So this is how IT sector is moving. We are expecting the IT sector to reverse right from the 50 percentage level of this swing high and swing low. So this is swing low and this is swing high. All right. So we want the IT sector to bounce from the 50 percentage level somewhere around here. So we are expecting this sector to bounce from this 50 percentage level. If not, then the sector will fall towards this support. So we want this sector to bounce from the 50 percentage level. So what I am going to do is I am going to draw a zone at 0.5 percentage in Fibonacci to 0.6 percentage. So these two areas are very key levels in Fibonacci, and this is where majority of the reversals happen. So in Fibonacci, 0.5 to 0.6 is a very important level where most of the reversals happen. That's why I have drawn a zone exactly in these two levels. So now what I am expecting is I am expecting IT sector to reverse from these levels, and I will look for buying opportunities if IT sector is coming towards this particular zone. Now let me come to weekly charts. So in weekly charts, I can clearly see there is a lot of support levels and there is a lot of resistance levels. So this support and resistance levels can collectively act as a zone for upcoming days and for upcoming weeks as well. So there is a chances of IT sector to fall towards this particular zone. But I am not going to take any short position. I am going to look for long position exactly at these particular zone. I will look for long term investing as well, because this is the zone which is good for buying for long term. And now let me come to daily charts. Now in daily charts, I can clearly see IT sector is in a strong bearish mode. I am getting repeated lower highs as per Dow theory. Alright, so still I am expecting more fall in IT sector. IT sector can reach this particular zone. When this zone is reached, I will look for long position. I will look for investing opportunities. Now suppose if IT sector is not coming towards this zone, and if IT sector is reversing back from this particular small zone, from this particular small support zone, then what I will do is, as per Dow theory, these are lower highs. So as per Dow theory, when this last lower high is broken, when bull candle comes up to break this last lower high, then I will take long position. So this is the area I will take my long position. So if IT sector is not coming towards this particular zone, then I will take long when this lower high is getting broken. When this last lower high is getting broken on the upside, I will initiate my long position, or I will go for long term investing. So I want you all to add top IT companies in your watch list. So you can add TCS, you can add Infosys, you can add HCL Technologies, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, Mindtree. Lot more companies are there in IT sector. I want you all to add these stocks in your watch list and keep an eye in IT index. When IT index is reaching this particular zone between 25,000 to 22,000, so roughly 22,000 to 25,000, if IT sector is reaching this particular zone, never hesitate to build your portfolio. You can start accumulating IT stocks in your portfolio and you can buy it for long term, because this is the right time for you to buy at a best price, because TCS is available at a very cheap price. Now see, TCS was trading around 4,000 in the month of January, and now it is available for you in 3,000 rupee. So almost 1,000 rupee is discounted in this bearish market. So this is the best time for you to accumulate good IT companies in your portfolio. So don't forget, when IT index reaches 22,000 to 25,000 levels, start accumulating IT companies in your portfolio, and even you can look for intraday long opportunities using our CPR strategies. I hope you all found this video very useful. Share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.